Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing part 2 right now, and we're uploading it Friday, so you've already seen this. It's already Friday, and we're going to be watching part 2 of the construction site video, and it's insanely scary, and it's a very good video, so you guys should watch it.
Oh, it looks scary.
We ended up filming it in our room and then sneaking out and going to a construction site. Don't do this. Don't sneak out because
You'll end up being like
we're professionals. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're about to we're gonna go sneak into a construction site and climb around and have fun. This channel is DJTYT, link in the description, and I'll probably pop it up on the screen. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now we're out here.
Wow.
I didn't do that.
I knew you wouldn't. Oh, we're on the road. I ran so fast. You're just...
We live in this winning city. We heard gunshots. Yeah, we heard gunshots before you even...
What was that?
Okay guys, we're going in. We always laugh about this moment.
Your face. Yeah, some speeding.
Hey guys, we're going in.
Hey.
Your face.
We always laugh about that. The face you made. That. Wait, where are we? We just clipped it, okay?
We're right about that, right across from the construction site, I think.
We're at this school.
Okay, we're in.
Wait, where are we? Oh, we're already in. That was fast.
Okay. We gotta watch out for
It's hard
holes.
to tell where you are when the camera's all the way up the ground all the whole time.
Don't worry about
Why'd you put your
what are
hood
they gonna
on?
do? Look at it.
I don't know why
Change
my
someone
hood
else's
wasn't
same shoe
on.
like this. Okay, what is this?
Same shoe as us.
Is this concrete?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't
I
touch
remember
it.
that day. Oh, I thought that was someone taking...
I was part of a rock.
Should we step on it?
I was part of a rock.
How long is this video? 4
4
minutes.
minutes.
Oh, yeah, that is a rock. But I don't know if it will break.
Yeah, so we were checking to see
If
the
you step on
concrete
it,
was
there's an
not
elevator.
new. It was quite
Oh,
old.
remember, we were gonna go.
I don't know why we didn't.
Look at this.
We already didn't think those. I thought we would. No, we climbed it
Danger.
anyways.
We said we wasn't gonna climb it. We ended up climbing it anyways.
The workers probably use this like shit. So, spread your weight out.
Yeah.
It's not a far drop.
To me, that's far.
But you're-
Yeah, that's pretty far. If I drop you, you guys are gone. Okay, guys.
If I drop you, you
We
guys are
got
gone.
down from this one.
It's talking about my phone. If I
Let's
drop my phone, you guys are gone.
Okay, watch out. Oh my gosh. Let's just go over here. This one's way bigger.
This was like when we were recently, like, we just started exploring.
Yeah.
It's an elevator.
It was like a few days after the fact
my
that they built
This
this
is
one.
like, we would go out like at 9 p.m.
Yeah, the earliest we went out was 7 p.m.
Yeah, we came back at 4:20.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
could
you just have to wait for your
You know,
It was on a
This is-
Saturday or Sunday.
definitely could get over this.
Like a real ladder.
Oh wow, yeah, there is.
On the weekends, we would stay out
Watch out, watch
later
out.
because we knew we could sleep in a
You
bit
wanna go
more.
down there?
Because we had school during this time,
I want to.
so we went to
Hold the phone, I'm
school
gonna
like
go down first.
tired all the
You
time.
wanna go down first? Okay.
This is gonna be the first time I'm ever gonna
You're
play.
surprised. I just jumped down the whole thing.
This can hold us off. Get a good shot.
Why is it like this way?
Get a good shot, okay?
Get a good shot.
I'm over here on the edge or something.
Wait, is this a bottom elevator? Okay, the elevator's in here. Coffee.
That scared the crap out of me when I heard that.
A
When we was
help
out there.
desk. What is all this? I think there's probably someone in here.
Wait, this is part 2?
This creeps me out.
Yeah, it's part 2.
Then why did
All
how
that.
did
felt
we
like
not
you-
remember?
Yeah, I felt like this was a different part of
Wait,
the
it doesn't
building.
look so bright.
It was a different building part. I turned the
get a
brightness
few-
up. And
A few
when I edited
cinematics
it.
of this
Not like the
place.
sky. It's
And then
like it's like just
go back to
5,
the
4 a.m.
vloggers.
in the morning. Starting the
Because
sunrise.
I turned brightness up in editing. There's just like
See, like, yeah.
No,
Oh,
this is
someone's
just
just setting.
no. Look, this is just videos.
Oh, we do those.
Like they're so climatic. I wanted them to be like that. I was gonna add these in the front. Beginning of the video, I felt like they were too lame to add to the front. Beginning of the videos, I just
You tell me to shut up and don't say a word.
yeah. I was gonna mute it anyways.
What was I doing? Was
You were
I
not
looked-
supposed to be in the clip. You were not supposed to be in that clip. This was just like a climactic shot of the.
I thought you was done, so I was like, okay.
What were you even doing? Like,
I feel like I was high, but I wasn't. I know for a fact I was.
no.
Like, was
It
I?
just ended. Okay, that was it. That was the end of the video.
That was.
So we'll see you guys later. And we're gonna go film part 3 tomorrow, guys. But today is like Sunday. This is gonna upload in next Friday after part 1 uploads. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.